What's up guys, so the time has arrived and today I have got the Samsung Galaxy A32. Thanks to the Samsung for sending me this device. So it's time to do speed test comparison between the Galaxy A32 and the A51, as on the A32 we get MediaTek Helio G80 chip and 6 GB of RAM, while on the Galaxy A51 we get Exynos 9611 chip and 6 GB of RAM. So let's find out which is faster and which one you should buy for heavier games in 2021 between these two smartphones. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So starting from the boot up test, and here we go. Now let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one, as the A51 is a little bit expensive than the Galaxy A32, and also the Galaxy A32 comes with 90 Hz refresh rate. So let's see the gaming performance of both devices, and both are taking some time. Well, you guys can see the first boot up test won by the Galaxy A51, and the A32 is still stuck at the loading. Well, it was unbelievable difference between the A32 and the A51 in a first boot up test, and also it's quite disappointing from the A32. Okay, so before starting the test, you guys can see both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off. So starting from some basic applications, and here we go. Well, you can see it was exactly the same time, and this one goes to the A51 camera. Well, again this one goes to the Samsung Galaxy A51. Now coming to the third-party applications to see the real difference in gaming applications between the A32 and the A51. Okay guys, so it was a gaming test. Now we are about to do RAM management test, and after that we will talk about which is best and which one you should buy in 2021. So stay tuned for that. Welcome back guys. So it was a speed test and RAM management test between the Galaxy A32 and the A51, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both smartphones, actually its starting point, I mean in a first boot up test the A51 played very well and the A32 takes so much time while booting up, but after that the A32 played very well and made a comeback into the speed test. So the conclusion is that if you guys are thinking to buy any of them, especially for heavy games such as PUBG, Fortnite and Call of Duty Mobile game, I will definitely prefer the A32 over the A51 because it is cheaper and also it have got 90 Hz refresh rate display. So at this price range, this is the first mid-range smartphone from the Samsung with such features. Also the A32 have got attractive design as you guys can see here. Now it's just my opinion, but you guys are here to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about the A32 and the A51. Okay guys, it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to this video. I will really appreciate that. Thanks for watching us, and as always, keep supporting us.